If you made it to part 2, you're already ahead of most people trying to learn Japanese. In part 1, we learned hiragana using crazy mnemonics, and you probably remember way more than you expected. But now, we're going further. In this video, we're going to finish the rest of hiragana, and I'll show you how to actually start reading Japanese. No boring memorization, just weird images your brain won't forget. Te looks like a handheld telescope. Telescope. To looks like a toe with a splinter in it. Ouch, that hurts. Toe. Na looks like a nun praying. She's praying for nachos. Nun. Ni looks like a needle pulling a thread. Needle. Nu looks like noodles. Slurp those noodles. Noodles. Ne looks like a cat. Neko means cat in Japanese. Neko. No looks like a nose. Nose. Ha looks like H plus A. Ha, H and A. T looks like a face with a big nose. That nose is huge. Hi, big nose. Fu looks like a dancing fool. Just dancing around. Fool. He looks like a mountain. Nice and simple. Ho looks like Santa Claus. Ho. Santa. Ma, imagine your ma looking like this. She's not happy. Your ma. Mi looks like someone saying me. Who just turned 21? Me. N looks like a cow. Moo. Me looks like an eye. Mo looks like a hook catching worms. Add more worms to catch more fish. More. La looks like a rabbit. Rabbit. Ri looks like reeds blowing in the wind. Just swaying. Reeds. Du looks like a looping route. Route. Re looks like a guy throwing up. Yeah, not pretty. Retching. Do looks like a road. Road. Ya looks like a yacht. Yacht. You looks like a unique fish. Unique. Yo looks like someone shouting yo. N looks just like the letter N. Easy. Wa looks like a wasp flying up. Wasp. O looks like someone with a boomerang in their mouth. That's weird. Wo boomerang. And just like that, you've learned all the mnemonics for hiragana. Now, here's what I want you to do next. Take a look at the full chart. See all the characters together with the images. And listen, it's completely okay if you don't remember everything right away. Nobody does. But if you come back to this video a couple times and just review it slowly, you will master hiragana. And this is just the beginning. because next up, we are doing the same thing with katakana. So if you want to keep going, make sure you like this video and subscribe. And before you go, I want to tell you something real. I know this is an AI-generated voice, but behind this voice,
there's a real Japanese student. I learned hiragana and katakana using this exact method, and once I mastered them, my understanding of Japanese went through the roof. And honestly, it's kind of a flex to be able to read these weird characters. But don't give up. Give yourself time to grow and time to fail, because it is hard, but it's worth it. I'll see you in the next lesson.